Hello and welcome to our third video in a series of recorded Zoom calls. My name is David Schweizer and we're back once again speaking with Brian Harlan, who's the owner of Distinctive Homes. For those that did not catch our prior videos, Brian and his family have been building and renovating homes locally for over 3 generations. So if you're a homeowner in Chester or Delaware County and you're in the market for a stucco replacement, or simply you've been eyeing up a home renovation project, Brian is here to help, and we welcome you back, Brian.
Always a pleasure, Dave.
Hey, Brian, look, in this final series, we want to discuss the impact of property values to our clients who are really considering a home renovation. So when you look at cost versus value, how do you feel major home improvements like stucco removal or siding replacement impact the property's value?
Well, actually, based on a recent research report we've read, replacing your stucco with fiber cement siding is one of the most cost-effective improvements that you can make. On the real estate side, replacing stucco is a no-brainer. So many reasons. First would be mold, mildew, and rot. If you've got water infiltrating your home's exterior, over time the repairs become more substantial, and the health impacts can be huge if you're sensitive to mold and mildew. Dollar for dollar, it's at the top of the list for recaptured money when you go to sell your home. And when it comes to how stucco impacts sales, you want to get ahead of a stucco problem before you actually try to sell your home.
Right.
Yeah, stucco homes are an inherent problem in the real estate industry, especially in our area. And the last thing you want to be doing is negotiating large numbers under duress and be under the time constraint of the deadlines of contracts and settlements.
Yeah, you know, that process has got to begin somewhere. Often people really don't know where to start. And every time I get a call from a customer, there's always asking me how difficult it's going to be to get a quote for a home renovation project, especially one that is a little more involved, like stucco removal, for example. Can you give me a little bit of understanding about how the consultation process goes?
Sure. Well, when it comes to the exterior work, roofing, siding, windows, we actually don't even need to meet or go inside your home to put estimates or quotes together for you. Conversation over the phone is really all I need to find out what you're looking for. And then it's as easy as scheduling a quick 15-minute consult by clicking the calendar link at the end of this video. Visit our website, mydistinctivehome.com, and submit your contact info and a brief description of your project. Or simply call our phone number, 610-388-6007, and speak with one of our specialists.
Wonderful. Hey, Brian, I want to thank you for taking the time to do a 3-part video series on some of your exterior solutions and what Distinctive Homes is all about and how customers can navigate through getting an understanding of what a home improvement project is going to cost and how they can get started with it. Of course, you're going to get more answers from sitting down with Brian and having a quick 15-minute consultation and letting him ask some very pertinent questions that are based around your individual and unique needs. So for your convenience, we've set up 15-minute consultation blocks. All you got to do is click on the calendar link below to get to that. You can call us anytime, once again, at 610-388-6007, or you can visit My Distinctive Home. And until next time, we wish you and your family the best, and we hope to safely meet you soon. Thank you, Brian.